Okay, ready?
Yuppie.
Hey everybody!
Bye.
We're back! And it's, you know what day it is?
Yeah.
What day is it?
It's that sunny day. It's yucky.
No, it's IPSY Day.
Yeah.
It's IPSY Day. It's IPSY Day. If you're new, thanks for joining us. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. Hold on one second, okay? Let me just tell you that if you don't like this type of video, since it's not the traditional type of video where my daughter and I are doing this, then yeah, click the bell. But if you don't want to do that, don't click the thumbs down button. Just go, okay? Because we're going to continue to do our videos this way and not the traditional way because she loves it. And I know that some of y'all don't like that. So that's just a warning for you that if you don't want to see her in IPSY or BoxyCharm unboxing, then get the hell out of here, okay? Because my baby's going to be here. So that's the mama bear coming out. Just letting you know. Let's just jump into it for those of you that are actually here to see what we got. Oh, that's from our different box.
Yeah.
This is our new one.
I told you not to say.
Oh, you told me not to? So this box is box 101, April 20.
What do you want to choose?
I don't want to choose any. Shh.
So,
Full Bloom. Shh. Full Bloom is this box. See a palette. So let's just go for the palette first.
I can fit those like this. Let me see. Oh, I got a baby.
Let's just go for the palette first.
Oh, I want to see.
Okay, hold on. So this palette is Shaina. SHAINA B Cosmetics Mini Miami Blush and Highlighter Palette. $20. And this is what she looks like. Hold on. Let me take the plastic off and then can you sit please?
Okay.
Thank you. I am going to swatch all of them. Okay, take it. Just take it. So can't really tell, but you know what, if I'm being honest, the top two are pretty pigmented. Over here, these were the top two. The bottom two, not really, especially not for my skin tone. I'm gonna let her have that one. Next thing is, what is this? Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara. And it's $22. Jet Black Mascara. It'll be your new BFF. Innovative Fiber Formula. Nice package. Oh, new. This is the lipstick that I got in my BoxyCharm. Check that out. We got some thumbs down because they, you know. Regular mascara wand.
So wait, how to get this?
Where get what?
Get a lipstick.
Why? Okay, here.
Here.
So there's that one. We got this. It's Rose Cream, Very Best Cream Rose. You know how to open it. Oh, you gotta put your lipstick. Oh, yep. Oh, yep, that's right. This is a lotion, Intense Moisture. $39 for this lotion. Tip, slather it on wet skin. Let's. Is this worth $30? $40? What did I say it was? $39? Is this worth $40? No. It has a nice smell, but it's not worth, it's not.
Oh, look.
Oh, no.
Giant.
Yeah, don't do that. Here, just put some on. The next thing we got is Tarte. Don't do that, baby. Eyeliner. Don't put it on your nose, Kalelani. No, Tita. Tarte liner. $24. Tarteist Double Take eyeliner in black.
Do you want some?
No, thank you. Thanks. So.
Lipstick.
Oh, it's black.
My mom.
Kalelani, you broke it. I think this is double. Oh yeah, so one is liquid and one is a crayon. That's cool. I don't use these that often, but
Oh, it's not working.
I know, Kalelani, it's not working because you broke it, Tita. No, Paul, it's trash now. Bamba, you get more. That's why she has her own makeup, so she can mess her own stuff up. Let me know if you have daughters and they love makeup, because she does. And she likes to also let it be known that it's not for anybody else. It's not for the girls. It's not for Mimian. It's just for Tita. The last thing we got is pomegranate, seed oil, lemon, and macadamia nut 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. What happened? Don't mess that up, please. So it comes in something like this, and it's $36. Don't let dead skin cells dull the shine this spring. Are we really shining this spring? Why do you keep doing that? Did y'all see my BoxyCharm, because she ruined the palette, and now look at this. You don't get this palette because I'm not cleaning the mess up again. Oh my gosh. People, I just have to roll with the punches. And honestly, I know it's not traditional, and believe me, doing these videos are stressful for me.
Mama,
but
wait.
It's turned into our thing. And when she sees the boxes, she's like over the moon excited. She's so happy.
I get all my makeup.
So I can't just stop doing them now.
My makeups.
No, Tita, you cannot have all your makeups right now because look what you did to your makeup you have. Okay, leave me a comment. If you were in my situation, would you be mad if she ruined a palette like that? Or if you were trying to do something and she was just all over the place, if you were like the mom? Or if you saw my BoxyCharm video that I just did, if, you know, she ruined that palette too. What would you do if you were in my situation? Would you just say, I'm not going to do these anymore, even though it's pretty much the only thing that her and I have together? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, back to this thing. So this is a face mask, $36, plant-based ingredients. I'm going to try this and hopefully it works. Because let me tell you. Okay, shh. So if you don't know, and I don't know if you can tell on camera here, there's, yeah, you can kind of tell, red patch there. I've actually waited to film this video because I got this box the other day, but I waited because I was trying to use apple cider vinegar, bless you, to get rid of some raised moles that I have. And it actually worked, but it did leave a spot, like the skin peeled off. So it did leave a spot. So, you know, but it literally got rid of 3 raised moles, like raised flat moles. So I really need some kind of face masks to kind of get my skin back after I just did that. But I'm happy that that worked. Anyway, let's go ahead and end this because I feel like I am going to start ranting. We've gone through everything. Oh, but the bag. But the bag. It's got strings coming out everywhere. But that's a cute bag. Anyway, if you haven't already, check out our BoxyCharm video. And no, there's no money in there. They don't send it with money.
They don't send money.
Yeah, they don't send money. Come on, sit down. They don't send money, baby. I wish they did. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell. Come on, say your thing.
Say no day.
No, like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.